Hi, my name is Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to shift information down in a table in Excel. I have a table set up here and it's an imaginary team. In column A we have the player's name, column B is the games, column C is the points, and column D is the points per game. We have a formula here that calculates the points per game from the games and the points. And let's say we have a new player on the team and let's say the player's name is Mike. You can see I've got the players listed alphabetically and we want to insert Mike into the table. So Mike goes between Megan and Mohammed. So what we're going to do, there's a couple of ways you can do it. One is we can go to line 5 and click over here on the number 5. So we're clicking on the row number. And as you can see, the whole row is now selected. And then we go to Insert and Insert Rows. Now, it may not look exactly like this on your computer. You may have a different version of Excel or a different computer or a different operating system, but there's always an insert menu and there's always something called rows. And there we go, that inserted the row. And so now we're ready. We can type in Mike's name and how many games he played, his points, and then copy the formula down and go to points per game. There are other ways of doing that, and it depends on what exactly you want to do. I'm going to undo that and just show you another way of doing it. So find your undo key, which you always have on Excel. Another way to do it is to take everything that's below where you want it to insert. So we select this whole box here, and we can drag it down like that. And that's especially useful if you had a bunch of different lines you wanted to insert. So let's say you had let's see, we had, Mike, and then we had Miller, and so on, I don't know what else fits between there, but you get the idea. And if you inserted too many, you can go through and select the rows that you didn't want to insert, go up to, and you can go to remove the edit, delete. Delete would delete those rows. And then you can just go ahead and just start, typing in some information. And, this guy played in 12 games, and let's make him a real superstar, okay? And then the last thing we can do is to copy the formula down. So here the formula points per game is C4 divided by B4. And what we do is we just put the cursor at the bottom right of the cell where the formula is and drag it down, and you can see that copies the formula down. So I hope this has been useful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to move everything down on a sheet in Excel. Thank you for watching.